Namaste, I am Rekha Kanemar, back in Indian Traditions Made Simple with a very new topic, what is a temple? People say temple is a place where the God resides. People also say temple is a place where we can fulfill our life desires, ambitions and goal. Let's discuss this. In the universe, there is a strong cosmic energy. This cosmic energy is present in the cosmos, between the galaxies, molecules, and in the space. This cosmic energy has got a strong healing effect, which is very important for human life and all living beings. Now, in the earth, there are certain energy grids, and in these energy grids, cosmic energy is very strong. And in the South Asian belt, these energy grids are identified by our ancient spiritual scientists called Rishi Munis, and they discovered and told the common man that if he or she goes in front of this energy grid and go inwards, they can absorb this cosmic energy and then they can fulfill their life desires. But the common man did not know how to go inwards in a place where there is nothing. So what this Rishi Munis did is they took a very special stone which is black in color, which in Sanskrit called as Linga, and named it as Shiv because Shiv is a symbol of supreme power in Sanatana Dharma, and called it as a Shivling and kept it at the center of the energy grid where the cosmic energy is very strong, and told the common man that if they go and share their life desires, goals, ambitions in front of this stone, it will get fulfilled. So the common man got completely excited and he or she went in front of the stone and started sharing their life desires, goals, and ambitions. Now they started going inwards. And this particular stone has a capacity or a characteristic which is very unique. It can absorb the cosmic energy and emit it. And the cosmic energy which was emitted by the Shivling was absorbed by the common man because he started going inwards in a place where there is a strong energy grid. And now he has become mentally, physically, and emotionally very strong. Now, with this strong energy body, when he or she went to the real world and worked towards their goal, the goal started getting fulfilled and they started becoming successful. That's how lot of people visited a place where this Shivling was kept, and they built a structure around this Shivling, and that structure which is built around the Shivling where there is strong cosmic energy is called as a temple. Yes, our all ancient temples are places where there is strong cosmic energy in the earth. So it is very important that we have to visit the temple where there is strong cosmic energy and absorb this energy, because this energy is very important for our human life and it has got strong healing effect. And with this high cosmic energy entering our body, we can go outside to the real world and achieve our goals, ambitions and desires, and also can keep our physical, mental and emotional body strong. This is a concept of temple. Thank you.